Painting Services website template with Divi. We'll explore two incredible options, one premium and one free. Let's find the perfect online presence for your services. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Our first stop is the Divi Marketplace, featuring a sophisticated painting services website template, priced at $29.99. If it captures your interest, it's available for purchase. Let's dive into the live demo. Starting at the Hero section, exudes professionalism and instantly grabs attention. It's the perfect place for your impactful message and vibrant imagery that represents your brand. Next is the Our Experience section. Here, you can showcase your recent projects with pride, providing credibility and enticing potential clients with tangible proof of your expertise. Let's take a look at the Request a Quote section. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Clients simply fill in their details, answer a security question. They're a step closer to experiencing your exceptional services. Moving to the portfolio, hover over the images to discover a hover effect. It's a dynamic touch that enhances user interaction and showcases your work stylishly. And lastly, the footer. It's comprehensive, holding essential contact details and links, neatly summarizing your web page for easy navigation. Next, we explore a beautiful free template included with the Divi theme. Once installed, it offers a robust set of features to showcase your business. Kicking things off with a captivating Hero section, providing a grand introduction to your brand's essence. Check out the Quality First section. Hover over cards to enjoy a smooth visual effect and explore additional information with engaging drop-downs. The Gallery section offers an immersive experience. Click images to pop them up and enjoy a zoomed view, a perfect spot for an image to showcase. And the Contact Us section ties it all together, offering a straightforward way for customers to reach out. Just fill in the details and hit send request to initiate your service. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.